Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video I'm going to show you two different ways to use your Emlid Reach receiver as a base for your RTK drone. I'll be using a DJI Matrice 300 and an RS3 for these configurations. Before we start, we recommend making sure your software and all your equipment's firmware is up to date. We'll begin with configuring our base over local NTRIP. This method will allow RTK corrections regardless of your project location and internet availability. In Emlid Flow, we will tap on base output and select local NTRIP. Tap on the information icon and take note of the local NTRIP credentials provided by the Emlid base. The only other thing we need to do is set our base coordinate. The default settings will average out a point over 2 minutes using a single solution, and store that as your base coordinate for as long as the base is powered on. See our guide on setting a repeatable base coordinate for our recommended methods. If we don't have a coordinate saved in the base settings, we will be unable to save our RTK network settings on the controller. Now let's switch over to our drone controller. First, we need to connect our drone controller to the same Wi-Fi network as our base. In this case, it will be the RS3's hotspot. Once we're set there, we will navigate to our RTK settings by selecting the menu in the top right corner of our drone camera view, then RTK. Make sure RTK positioning is toggled on, then select Custom Network RTK, and we will copy over our local NTRIP credentials from Emlid Flow. Tap Save and we should see our status change from not connected to converging to connected, and our drone should show an RTK fix and we're ready to fly. Another method of using our base with a drone would be through the use of Emlid Caster. For this method we need both our base and drone connected to the internet, whether that's through Wi-Fi hotspots or SIM cards or a combination of the two. In a web browser, navigate to caster.emlid.com and log in with your Emlid account. From there, you will see a page with your base and rover credentials necessary to pass your corrections through Caster. In Emlid Flow, connect to your base. We will change the base output to NTRIP and input our mount point credentials provided on the Caster webpage. Again, we will need to have a base coordinate set in our base settings and our Emlid Reach receiver connected to the internet before we will be able to continue. You will be able to see in real time on the Emlid Caster site whether your base is online or not. Once it appears online, we can configure our drone controller. We will need to confirm our drone controller is connected to an internet-enabled Wi-Fi hotspot, then once we're set there, we will navigate to our RTK settings by selecting the menu in the top right corner of our drone camera view, then RTK. Make sure RTK positioning is toggled on, then select Custom Network RTK and copy over our rover credentials provided by Emlid Caster. Then tap Save and we should see our status change from not connected to converging to connected, and our drone receiving an RTK fix. With our RTK fix active, we're ready to fly our mission. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.